Hadian kejing beteng jong kejing syak kentho ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited na ki babun kiliang halor kejing duko trekam jong ka hakani katayo ki Nongtrei jong ka MeECL kilathat madan ya ki kendrum kendram hapo ka jeli trekam jong kani katnat mi boarding hakani jela
Hagajing ekran beginong patay kubor hakanyo trek mentau benaya yong arhajar arpuwe kinong tre jong ka MeECL kiban giseng baper jong kinong tre kini katanat ki bahapo ka syatri jong ka Coordination Committee of Registered MeECL Employees Associations and Unions. Kilathat madani ki babun ki kendrum kendram hapo ka jeli trekam jong ka MeECL. Kabalawan raru igajing deko trekam hagi babun kiliang kentubru igajing sam boarding electric hakani kajela. Kani ka Kynhun hakani kasingi kalapan pau kejing dokumen halor kejing net jurep ka bakendet da CMD ki karkhana ki badan haga jela haga balalabru kejing tu ek boarding electric da ki babun. Nalor kania la kenoru ba kejing bamsap haga MeECL ka Jorbha bat kawai ni kinuksa ka balaban kedau ka halor kejing thiet ya ki core desktop computer ni ki company banasabar ka jela. Haga balathiet ki haga dor ka balailak arponyo hajar tengka kawai ka core. Katba kador niki dukan kibana kani kejela kim palat ika sapo hajar tengka kawai. Kani ka Kynhun jogi Nongtrei ke MeECL bagentup du iki engineer kala pencairu bana kaliang jongka kam dan kejing persyak ban pentrai kam iki smart meter. Hendrai haswa ban pentrai kam kini dan kam bagi patba kan sengutu syashwa. Kinong yalam jongka Coordination Committee of Registered MeECL Employees Associations and Unions kila penpauru kejing so bunyau halor ka one time settlement. Haga baik itu ki karkhana ki bapensa aram ya kepisa by boarding lama mno hadu sanpau na kisispa. Bat kat kum gejing khain balayo na ki khat artli ki karkhana kepisa ke beriban siau kokot hadu khat nyoklur laipusan lak sanpu arhajar ndreus pa ar tengka. Kata hadian beladap map no ya kesan pau na kisispa. Kumta halor kini ki kendrum kendram baro ha ke MeECL. Kani keseng jogi ni Nongtrei kelatho show Menteri Rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bantuklar. Bat kala dawaru na kesorkar bantung daga Kynhun Tohkit ke Laitluid. Ban Tohkit ya ke MeECL bat kanang bagajing Laitluid kan long ke bakhoj basuba. Kani ka Kynhun kala dawaru na Menteri Rangba ban IT no ekatnat boarding electric show way pat Menteri. Bat ban weng no shwa yu chairman ka managing director bamenta jong ke MeECL kanang bagajing Tohkit kan long ke Laitluid.
The employees of MeECL are troubled and disturbed by the irregularities and scams that have taken place in MeECL, which have been extensively covered by the print and electronics media, like the power theft, the CMD's inspection at Bernihad area, the enterprise resource planning, smart metering, Sobhagya scheme, special tariff to the Bernihad Industrial Association, one-time settlement scheme, concession during COVID-19 provided to the industries, power banking and swapping. All these have created confusions and sense of insecurity among the employees. Moreover, the recent resignation of the independent director, MeECL, the lone woman director on the board of MeECL, Srimati L. Kharkongor, which has been highlighted in the print and also in the electronics media, or let me say, it has been there in the public domain. She has cited displeasure over the way the board of directors has been functioning. And she has clearly mentioned that the haphazard way of functioning of the board of directors and the issue of monetization of the land of MeECL, which could contravene with the Meghalaya Land Transfers Act 1971, being the reason for her resignation.
It is an officer concerned who has written this resignation letter. I will just read just a few lines. Clause 137 of Secretarial Standard on Meetings of the Board of Directors, as per Company Act 2013, provides that notes and agenda should be given to the directors at least 7 days before the date of the meeting. However, the board members from time to time have given concession and allow to place the urgent agenda and note if such are given before 2 days of the meeting. to stretch these concessions and place almost all the agenda in less than an hour is not acceptable to this agenda, including matters relating to no regret. Matters relating to no regret. Price offer by the firm bidders and for which the board of directors are in the dark. Again, another such agenda was relating to engagement of a firm to monetize the land assets of the corporation and which may attract the provisions of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act 1971. Proposal of such nature needs to be examined in greater details and should not be pushed through on the ground of urgency. Should not be pushed through on the ground of urgency. This is the resignation letter written by the Honorable Board of Directors, Srimati L. Kharkungor. Smart energy meters. We are never against the installation of smart energy meters. But the way it is being moved to install and the way loan was availed, when we have a central government PSUs, EESL, to install these meters free of cost, why do we need to take loans? And so many parameters are involved in the smart metering. So, we will request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this and also to go into the details of the smart metering. What about the connectivity? Even in the city, there is a problem of connectivity. Has that been addressed? These are the issues which need to be looked into. When we have an option to avail such schemes without investing, why do we need to take loan? Because we have to repay. And it's not us, it's you, the consumers, who have to repay. Even for a card, you will have to pay for it. So these are the things which we need to discuss in details. We don't want that the supplier will just get the supply order and just dump here, where you will see when it comes to implementations, it will be a failure. Crores of rupees will go to the drain, which means they have fulfilled what they want to. There is a ruling of the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, wherein it has ruled that you cannot waive the interest amount. Yes, they may extend the payment, the installments, but you cannot waive the interest. Here, 30% of the energy is waived to the live consumers. You as a legal consumers, as a consumers who are paying your dues, your monthly energy bill, do you think it's fair? And one thing is, I will share with you, 12 industries has availed this scheme, and that 30% which has been waived come to an amount of 17 crores 35 lakhs 52,602. You can never waive an energy which has been consumed on live consumers.
These developments, as a consequence, has made the employees of MeECL to lose confidence in the system of administration in MeECL. Therefore, since the issues are very important and also very serious in nature, we have written a letter to the Chief Minister MeECL, Chief Minister Meghalaya, requesting him to constitute an independent inquiry into all the irregularities in MeECL, and also we request the Chief Minister to kindly relieve the Minister in charge power from the power portfolio to facilitate a free and fair investigation. Further, we also request the Chief Minister to kindly intervene and also appoint an officer not below the rank of Additional Chief Secretary as Chairman cum Managing Director, because MeECL being the largest public sector utility in the state. We would also like to announce that Sikormao will resort to agitations if the government fail to address these demands within the 26th of April 2021.